Previously on Bumbling Tourist.
This series is going to be all about Myanmar.
Or Burma.
So we've made it to Hong Kong.
I really like this little guy.
It's almost like they're going into each business and like blessing it or something. They've gone into each one. It's Mr. Tickle. So this is the notorious park where we came in 2016, and I used one of the public washrooms here, and I went in, and basically there's squat toilets here, which is fine. I love squat toilets. I'm a big advocate of a squat toilet, but I walked in and there's about 8 little squat toilets in a row and nothing between them. So you're just in a big open room where you squat down and use the washroom. There was nobody in there, so I'm like, okay, do this quick, get it over with. Do my business, and just as I'm about to stand up, this lady walks in and she goes, ha ha, and laughs so loudly, like right in my face. And I'm like, what did I do wrong? And I run out, but she caught me with my pants down, and like, I already feel kind of awkward about the situation, and then she basically cackled like a evil bird person. That's my story about this park. Smells really nice too. If I remember correctly, the bathroom's up here. Probably the only one to film a bathroom, but that's definitely the bathroom where my situation went down.
Hey, you want to play The Shining?
Do I want to what?
Play The Shining?
Sure. You go first.
Oh, does that mean you're going to come at me with an axe?
Sure. Am I winning? This is amazing. Yeah, if you're really short, this would be kind of terrifying. Yeah, cheaters never prosper. Somebody panicked, chewed their way out. Doesn't mean we won, we got to the middle. And we gotta get back out. There's flamingos! Oh, we gotta get closer to the flamingos. Look at all the flamingos! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I love flamingos. I'm just really nervous for this trip, but flamingos are my like sign of good things to come. So I think that means good things to come. Yeah. I love the reflections. This reminds me of all the routes in the fort when we were in Tainan, remember?
Yeah.
It's got really cool looking hair though. Maybe we can look it up and put it on the screen. Looks like changing fall colors. That is so neat. Yeah, his head kind of looks like a slice of peach. The other bird agrees with me. He went, There's one back there with a really cool fan head. here and take an adventure. Got video footage up the other side from last time, so. I really like this sad looking panda over here. Panda a panda. So this is essentially the Walk of Fame for cartoon characters or animated characters. Aww. I feel like I look just like this little guy right now. With my backpack. Now you were saying that you think this guy was colored differently last time you were here?
Yeah.
We'll have to look up the old footage and see if he's in the old footage.
It's possible my memory's crazy, or just that we were here when it was dark, so he seemed darker, and maybe his colors faded from being a statue outside.
Yeah, a lot has changed. There's definitely some new statues here for sure.
For sure.
So we'll have to look it up. We're in the Chinese garden. The Chinese garden in the middle of Kowloon Park. I don't think we made it here last time. But this is really cool. I see a bunch of turtles. Perfect place for a picnic. That's where the bumbling tourist logo goes. Right. We got ourselves some sandwiches and some beers here. Because it's been a long, rough day, right?
Yeah.
We still have a long day ahead of us, too. Cheers.
Or a couple of days.
Sing Tao. And you got a salmon and egg sandwich? Yeah. So cheers.
Night market, right?
Yeah, but what time is it? It's like noon?
Yeah, about 12:30.
We sat on this corner and we had beers right there. That's where you drop off your uncle. Great. I think he's licking your feet. It's almost like they're going into each business and like blessing it or something. They've gone into each one. That's pretty cool. guy like tried to give you a high five as you walked away. So the
Oh, did he?
the other guy,
Oh.
one of the guys that was like drumming.
I feel bad that I didn't high five him.
Nice shot, very nice. Vogue, 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 Vogue. Oh, I guess these guys know where the best noodles are. They're all lining up. He's holding your spot right there. Yeah, that makes sense. Yep.
More different times of day.
Heading back over to Hong Kong.
Context.
Yeah. I think we're beyond ready to go the final leg of this.
Trip. Journey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So onward to the final boarding gate.